To send money via Zelle to yourself, you will need to have the Zelle app or access to Zelle through your bank's mobile app. First, ensure you have Zelle set up and linked to your bank account. If you have not already done so, you can enroll by downloading the Zelle app or accessing it through your bank's mobile app. Then following the prompts to add your bank account. Once you have Zelle set up, open the Zelle app or access it through your bank's mobile app. Navigate to the Zelle homepage, where you will see the option to send money. Select this option to begin the process of sending money to yourself. Next, you will need to enter the amount you want to send to yourself. This can be any amount, but keep in mind that Zelle has transaction limits, so be sure to check those before proceeding. After entering the amount, select the account you want to send the money from. Now, you will need to enter the recipient's information. Since you are sending money to yourself, you can use your own email address or phone number that is already linked to your Zelle account. If you have multiple accounts linked to Zelle, be sure to select the correct one. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the account information. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. The money should now be sent to yourself and available in your account shortly, often within minutes. It is worth noting that sending money to yourself via Zelle is a great way to test the service and ensure that everything is set up correctly before sending money to others. Additionally, it can be a convenient way to move money between your own accounts. As with any financial transaction, be sure to keep track of your account activity and monitor for any suspicious transactions.